Craftsmanship, training, tradition, expertise, old-fashioned values in a new-fashioned world. We were lucky when the first generation of the Birdsong family decided to work for G&S Heating. He learned how to craft and bend sheet metal when he was 14 years old. Working with metal, bending, shaping, cutting, designing perfect duct systems. It's a lost art these days, and one that's nearly forgotten. But the elder Birdsong has been preserving the tradition for over 40 years. We were again honored when the second Birdsong generation joined the G&S family. The expertise and craftsmanship was being passed along from father to son. Decades of wisdom were shared among family. Meanwhile, the G&S reputation as the company who designed and installed the finest custom airflow systems continued to grow. When the third generation of the Birdsong family started working at G&S Heating, we knew we had something special. 3 generations, 3 men committed to passing along an unsurpassed level of care and commitment. You just don't find that every day. The Birdsongs continue to focus on craftsmanship, training, tradition, and expertise, the foundation of their unique dedication to doing things right. Our customers live better lives in their homes because of these characteristics. There are many reasons why G&S Heating is a special company. 3 generations under one roof, maintaining a single-minded dedication to perfection is just one of them. At the end of the day, we help our customers live better lives. Thank you to the Birdsongs, and thank you to each and every customer who appreciates the value of our expertise.